We'll start in 1 minute. Please wait.
Okay, sir.
So I'm getting 27714, the answer.
Okay, answer 27114. For this value, it's not 234. Let me confirm 234 into 13121. 2
Yes, sir, 27,714.
actually answer is 28314. Please try 1 second. 28314 is the answer. You look, carry will be added, so you can check 1 second. You'll get the answer, not an issue. So answer is 28314.
Yes, sir.
1 second we'll see this trick. 1 second we'll see solve this question. So first one will multiply simply cross simple straight basically 4 into 1 4 4 into 1 4. After that we'll do small crossing means adjacent values will multiply. So cross values will multiply 3 1 ja 3 3 1 ja 3 and 4 2 ja 8 3 1 ja 3 and 4 2 ja 8. What is 3 plus 8? 11 because carry is not there. 3 1 ja 3 and 4 2 ja 8. 8 plus 3 11 1 carry is 1. Carry will write separately. Then after that we will do big crossing. Big crossing means we'll multiply 2 and 1, that is 2, and then means corner values will multiply 2 into 1 2, then 4 into 1 4, 2 plus 4, simultaneously we'll add also 2 plus 4 6, and these two values will multiply 6 plus 6 12. Once again 2, let me put in different colors. So let this be in blue. 2 is multiplied with 1, 2 1 are 2, then this will be green, red one itself. Let's see 1 into 4, 2 2 into 1 2, and then 4 into 1 4 2 2 4 6, and then let this be green 3 2 6. So what is 6 6? 12. 6 6 12, and 1 is carry, so 12 plus 1 will add carry also. 12 plus 1 13 3, carry again 1 13 3, carry will be 1. Then we'll do after this small again small crossing means for these values, small crossing again for these values. So 2 2s are 4, again small crossing for these values. So 2 2s are 4 and 3 1s are 3 4 3 4 3 7, 1 is carry. Say, we have to remember carry also, we have to add carry. 7 plus 1 8. At the end last one once again straight 2 1s are 2. This is the same simple process: straight, small crossing, big crossing, small crossing, then again straight. See, try right. Zevin is correct. Pratusha also correct answer. So slowly small question we'll see. First few questions will be small, then we'll increase the level. So this was second question. Please note it down first. And still if anyone has having any doubt, then you can ask.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt.
It was clear.
Thank you.
No, no, sir.
No doubt.
Clear, sir.
Okay, we'll see some questions. Please note these two values. Now let's start with one
So
question.
this is a lengthy process, right?
Actually, this
A
is the
little,
process because values are also lengthy, no? Because if we remember our
yeah.
traditional method, so what was the method basically? 2 3 4 1 2 1. So what was the method? 4 3 2 8 6 4 4 3 2, then addition. So 4 11 carry 1, 3 9, 3 then 9 and 4 13 carry 1, 8 and 2. This is our lengthy process, traditional approach. So these all these
Yeah.
things we are doing in one line. So always it will take less time, means always it will take half of the time, because values are also, you can say, 3 digit number, that's why. So please try this question. Here this time is not important, just take whatever time you feel, but answer should be
Sir, can you
correct.
please, after this trick, tell us the how to find the square root, because that's most needed in the exams.
Square root
I
and
get
cube root, no? Square root and cube root. Square root and cube
uh,
root. Fine, no
yeah.
problem. We'll see after in next session only we'll see how to find the square root and cube root. No problem. Please try this question. 1, 3, 2, and next value is 2, 1, 1. Similar to previous question, you can take help and try to get this value. 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. So 1, 3, 2.
Sir, is my answer?
Sir, is my answer correct?
27852, right? Samarth answer is correct. Ashish, 1 second you can try. And Darshan answer is also correct. 27852 is the answer. Ashul also correct. Pratibha, 1 second, please try. And Pratyusha also 1 second. Angela answer is correct. Xavier also right answer. So most of you are getting correct answer. Sarah also correct answer. 27852. Same method we can have for this one. So what is the method? State, then 2, then small crossing. So 3 1 are 3 and 2, 3 2 5. Simply we can add and write the values. Then big crossing 1 and 4. Likely we can add also 5. 5 and 3, 8. Very easy. Then a small crossing for this one. 1 and 6, 7. Then state once again. 2 1 are 2. So 27852 is the value. 27852.
Sir, can you explain how you got it? How you got it?
8 how you got? No problem. See, one by one we'll see. Good question. Always please ask the question whenever you feel you have difficulty. See, state. State means 2 1 are 2. No problem. Then a small cross. Small cross means 3 into 1, 3 and 2 1 2. 2 into 1 2. 3 to 5. We'll add also 3 to 5. Correct. Now we'll do big crossing. Big crossing means 1 means corner values we will multiply 1 into 1. 1. Then 2 into 2. 4. Then middle values are multiplied. These values. 4. Then 3 1. 1 second. 1 second. 1 1 1 and 2 2 are 4. 4 plus 3. Okay. This will be how much? 7 8. No 8. Correct. 1 1 1. 2 2 are 4 and then 3 1 3. So total sum of the values will be 8. 1 into 1. This value is multiplied. Then 2 into 2 and middle values are multiplied. That is 3 and 1 in big crossing. And then once again same process. We will have multiplication of these values. So 1 into 1, 1 and 3 to the 6, 6 1, 7 and then once again state means 2 1 2. That is the method. Slowly we have to understand the trick. Now we'll see next question, fourth one. I hope everyone got the answer. Next one, next question. We'll take next question now. 1 2 2 and 3 4 4. Some
Sir, actually, I think I have to leave on 7:55 as I have another class on 8:05.
8 5.
Yeah, actually, they are they just I was trying to say them to extend for about 30 minutes, but they just extended for 5 minutes.
Okay,
Yeah.
no problem. If you want, you can leave. Means I will share this PDF in this Google Classroom.
No, yeah. You can share it on YouTube or any
YouTube.
other.
This PDF I'll share on Google Classroom.
Okay,
Because in
okay.
PDF or in class worksheet it will be there, and remaining question you can try, because this trick only will see next 5 10 remaining timing, basically 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay,
And
sir. Okay.
other methods we'll see in our next session. No problem.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. So what is the answer? 41968. Right, Vedika. This time your answer is correct. Right, 41968. Pratibha is also correct answer. Ashish also correct. Steve answer also correct. Pratusha right answer. Tanzila right answer. Four 968 is the right answer. Correct. Sarah also right answer. Rashul also correct. See, same method we'll see. We'll apply 4 to ja 8, then crossing for this near values. 4 to ja 8, and again 2 4 ja 8. 8 8 16 6, carry will be 1. Then be crossing 4 1 ja 4, and 3 2 ja 6. 6 4 10. 10 and 8 18. 18 1 19. 9, carry 1, again 1. Then small crossing 4 1 ja 4, and 3 2 ja 6. 6 4 4 1 ja 4, 3 6. 6 4 10. 10 1 11, carry 1, and again 1 was is the carry. 3 1 3 1 4. So 41968 is the right answer. Right, answer is correct. Fifth question we'll see now. Fifth one you can try. Same method, same trick. So let me take a small, slightly big value. 3 5 4 and 1 2 5. In one line, we'll get the answer. Please don't use calculator. 30 seconds is our standard time. 30 seconds you are solving. 30 seconds if you are solving, then means it is fine. Means good speed. How Tanzila you send me so quickly? Because anyone can not solve in 3 seconds. I said 30 seconds it should take. Otherwise, most probably you will be using calculator or something. Because answer is not important. Important is to understand the process, because we have to use these this concepts, basically concepts of shortcuts in our normal subjects, normal calculation, maths, physics, chemistry, and competitive examinations. I'm not using calculator. Okay, then good. Otherwise, 30 seconds we can take time, not an issue. Everyone will try. So answers is varying this time. Three, 5, 4, 1, 2, 5. 44 250 is the answer. 44 250. So 44 250. Sarah, please try once again. 44 250 you are getting. Then answer is correct. Vedika, once again solve. Pratibha also once again try. Ashish also answer is not correct. 44 250 is the right answer. So Tanzila, Rashul answer is correct. And then Steve, Pratusha, and Tanvi's Chanchal also right answer. Javin also answer is correct. Vedika, please try once again. Those who are not getting 44 250.
Sir,
Yes, why is not clear actually? See, let me.
will you share this PDF?
Definitely in Google Classroom, for every class now, I'm uploading class by class. So here in this our WhatsApp group now, I've shared link also. For this PDF will also be get uploaded. So same question you can try as homework. Otherwise, you can change the values also from yourself only. You can change the value and try to solve by this trick and verify the answer from the calculator. Yes, 5 6 question, 4 5 question you can take randomly from yourself also. So Tushar, once again please try. Let me solve this question. 5 4 20 0 carry 2, carry will be 2, cross 5 of 25, 5 of 25, and 8. 25 at 33, 33 at 2, 35, 5 carry 3, then cross 15, big cross basically 15, and 4 19, 19 10, 29, 29 and 3, 32, 2, carry 3, once again. So cross, small cross with this time. So 6, 5, 11, 11 and 3, 14, 4, carry 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4. 44, 250 is the right answer. So most of you are getting 44, 250. Others can try.
Sir, are we going to leave the 2? We are not going to count the 2.
Which two? These two?
The carry 2, sir. Carry 2.
Carry 2 will be added. No, one second. Let me show you. See, 5, 4, 20, 0. Carry 2 was initially. Then 5, 4, 5, 4 is 20, 0. Carry 2. Then a small crossing of these adjacent values. 5, 5, 25, and 4 2 is 8. 25 plus 8. 25 plus 8, 33. Always speak and write the value. 33. 33 and 2. 33 and 2. Carry will also be added. 35, 5. Carry 3. Now these 2 cancel. Now carry is 3. So we'll do now big crossing. 3 5s are 15 and 4, 19 and 10, 29, 29 and 3, 32. 2. Carry 3. Again carry is 3. We'll tick mark this carry because we have to again carry is 3. Now we'll do small crossing for this one. 6.
Sir, I'm getting confusion in the adding the carry thing.
Carry
Carry
means
number, sir.
after this after addition at the end we'll add carry also. Slowly we have to do, and this is step by step. See, 5 4s are 20, 0. Carry 2. Carry 2 is we have to remember. Then cross value 5 5s are 25 and 8. 25 8, 33. Carry was 2. 30
Okay.
33 plus 2 was the carry. 35 5. Carry is 3 now. 2 is cancel. Now we have carry 3. So carry will keep in this separately. So now we'll be crossing 3 5s are 15 and 4 1s are 4. 15 4, 19, and then straight of this one. 19 10, 29. 29 at the end we'll add carry. 29 plus 3, 32. 2. Carry again 3. No problem. We'll keep as it is. Do small crossing. 6. 3 to a 6 and 5 1s are 5. 6 5 11. 11 and 3, 14 4. Carry now 1, not 3. Now we write 1. At the end we'll multiply 3 1. 3 1s are 3 and 1 4. State is the method state. Then small crossing. Then big crossing. Big crossing we have state values also. Means 5 2s are 10 will be added also. Then small crossing once again. Then state. This is the method basically. Understood? Now we'll see one last question for today. And 6 question will be over. Then remaining 6 question we'll see in our next session for this trick. Let me write next question, 6 number. Suppose purposefully I will take tough question this time. 9. So this will be tough one. 9 8 because this is last question for today. 9 8 7 and 2 6 4. It's more tougher than this question we'll see in our next session. Last 6 question we'll see in our next session. But this is also bit tough than previous questions. Please try this one. 987 into 264. Anudeep, I didn't got your answer. Just type the answer now. I got the right answer, then fine. If you're getting right answer 44 250, then in your notebook you can tick mark this one like this, right? Otherwise cross wrong and do the correction. Rashul got the answer, okay, no problem. Others can try, take time is there, no problem. Time is not an issue this time.
Sir, I've replied.
I got Anudeep, I got your answer this time. 260568 correct answer. So I got answer from Rashul and Anudeep, Steve also. So all the answers are correct for first 3 students. Rashul, Anudeep, and then Steve. Tushar also answer is correct, right? Same method we have to apply. State, small crossing, big crossing, then small crossing, then state.
Yes.
Zevin also right answer. Uddhav, Prashan, everyone will try. Pratusha, Sara, Chanchal, Tanvi, Tushar. Chanchal also got the right answer. Ashish answer is also correct. Pratusha also correct. So most of you have got the answer. Vedika also correct answer. See, Pratibha, please try once again because answer is not correct. 7 into 4 will be 28. 8 carry will be 2. Carry will keep right side. 7 4 28. Carry will be 2. Now we'll do cross. 8 4 ja 8 4 ja 32. 32 and 7 6 are 42. 32 and 42 we have to add. 32 42. So 32 and 40 is 72 and plus 2. 72 plus 2 74. 74 plus 2 76 because carry is also there. 76 6 carry will be now 7. Once again 7 4 are 28 carry 2. Starting carry was 2. So 8 4 are 32 and 7 6 are 42. 32 plus 42 will be 74. 74 plus 2 76. Carry will be now 7. We'll do big crossing. 9 4 are 36 and 7 2 are 14. 36 plus 14 will be 50. 50 50 and 8 6 are 48 means 50 plus 48 98. 98 and 7 98 and 7 will be 105. 105 or 105. 105 then 5 will come here and carry will be 10. The remaining values are carry 10. We'll do small crossing now. So 9 6 are 54 and 8 2 are 16. 9 6 are 54 and 8 2 are 16. 54 and 16 is 70. 70 and 10. 10 is carry. 70 and 10 80. 80 0 and carry will be 8. Right. And then at the end state multiplication 9 2 is 18. 18 8 26. So 26 260 568 is the right answer. 260 568 right, Uddhav. Pratibha, now this time your answer is correct. So 987 into 264 is 260568. So 260568 will be the right answer. So those who got the answer, tick mark in your this classwork notebook. Right. So please note the answer if you are not didn't got the answer. And if anyone has doubt that they can stay back, otherwise you can end the meeting. Session is over for today.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Anyone
Thank
having
you,
doubt,
sir.
then they can ask.
Sir,
Thank you, Pershan. Thank you, Steve. Thank you, Rashul.
thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sarah.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you once explain the sixth sum?
Sixth one. Okay, no problem. See.
Yes, sir.
Same method. Because in this question, values are a bit higher side. So we will do slowly. 7 4 ja 28. 8. 7 4 ja 28. 8. Carry will be 2. Carry with 2. Now 7 4 ja 28. 8. Carry 2. Now we'll do small crossings nearby values. So 8 4 ja 32. 8 4 ja 32. We write in left hand side 32. And 7 6 are 42. We'll do cross multiplication. 8 4 are 32 and 7 6 are 42. What is addition of 32 and 42? We'll add. If you're not directly, if you don't able to add, then we can write it separately.
74.
4 4 2 to 4 7. 74 carry is also there, no 2. So 76.
76.
76 6. 76 6 will be down. 7 will be up. Means 6 will be written here. 7 will be carry forward. So now carry forward is 7. Always left hand value, left hand term is carry forward. 7 is the carry forward value. Now we'll do big crossing means 9 4 ja 36. Then 7 2 ja 14. 36 plus 14 will be 50.
7 sir, 14.
9 4 ja 36. 36 and 14 50. 36 and 14 36. 9 4 ja 36. 7 2 ja 14. Write the values. This will be 50. And then we'll multiply this one. 8 6 ja 48. 50 plus 48 will be,
48.
we'll add also, no? 9
98.
4 ja 36 and 7 2 ja 14, correct. So 46, 9 4 is 36 and 7 2 ja 14 is 50 and state, this one is multiplied state middle value, 8 6 ja 48, so 98 is the value plus 7. At the end we have to add carry also. 98 plus 7 will be 105, right?
Okay.
So for 105, this will come down. End value, last digit comes down, and remaining value go up. Go up means in carry. So now carry is not 7. Now we have carry 10. Last value comes down, remaining value goes up. Goes up means in carry 10. Now we have carry 10. Now we'll do small crossing. A small crossing is this value 9 6 are 54, 9 6 are 54, and 8 2 are 16. Small crossing 9 6 are 54,
16.
and 8 2 are 16. 54 plus 16, 70. 6 4 10, 0 carry 1, 5 1 6 1 7.
70.
Simple addition 70. Carry is also there 10. 70 plus 10, always at the end we have to add carry 80.
80.
80, last digit will be one's place will come down 0.
0.
This 8 will go up. So this will be 8 is now carry, not 10. Now we have carry 8. At the end we will multiply state. So 9 2 is 18 and 8 26. So this is the value.
Okay, sir.
Fine.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.